Hello, hello, unboxing Dalvin Mark now. Ima ok imbe, ima ogino maber. Oh, oh. Doni ni ogino. Motema. Nyala sani kodi kodi. Ani ako man content na. Unboxing. Hey, unboxing Oraimo. This one we ordered. Let's see. Let's see. Although we don't have the materials required here, we just ordered Oraimo Wireless charger, and the package has just arrived. We want us to see if what actually is contained here. You can see it's a fast charger. Oh, wonderful, 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 wonderful. You can see. This is the Oraimo. You can see. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So I think that is how it can be charged. Let's see how to make it on. How will we know it's on? Do we really have a manual? Let's see. There's a manual. Oh, wonderful. There's a manual there. And what is this? Another Oraimo in here. I was wondering why this thing was costing that much. Let's have a look at this. Hi. Oraimo mouse. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. So let me read the manual. What is required here? Battery level, 25%. Charging indicator. Battery. Wireless charger. That enables disable wireless charger function. Short press the power button 3 times. Activate short press the power button once. Automatic wireless charging. Wonderful. I think we can now use it. Thank you, thank you. We'll see. So if I want to charge, I just press. Thank you. You can